Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to do a no brush makeup challenge. That means I'm going to do my full face of makeup using only my fingers. I've seen a lot of YouTubers doing this challenge, so I thought of doing it too. I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's just hope for the best. And without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to apply moisturizer first as usual. I'm using the Innisfree moisturizer. Applying moisturizer with the fingers is probably the easiest part of this challenge. For the foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation and I'm pouring little bit on the back of my hand. I've never applied foundation with my hands before, like after dotting it all over my face. Oh my god, this is so weird. I've never done this. I so badly want to use a beauty blender right now. This foundation all over my hands. That's okay. Then I'm using the M.A.C Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC42 and I'm just going to apply it under my eyes. I always use this concealer with my fingers, so this shouldn't be difficult. I'm also applying it here where I have some kind of spot. Here too. I miss applying this concealer on my spots. I don't know why I stopped doing that. Now to further brighten the under eyes, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Medium. I have put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm going to put it under my eyes. I'm using my ring finger to apply these concealers because that has the lightest pressure and we want our concealer to blend in and not move away. I'm so obsessed with this song. I want a beauty blender. I'm also applying it to my lids, whatever's left on my finger. I'm also applying this concealer on the center of my nose, forehead and chin. This is too much. Now I have a beard. I'm just gonna use all my fingers. Laksha Sudha Babaji, Laksha Sudha. Do you know what serial is that from? This is Looking Fine. Then I'm taking some powder and this is the M.A.C Studio Fix powder in the shade NC40 and I'm setting my concealer with my hands. Is this even working? I don't know, I still have the powder on my fingers. My hands are looking flawless. I think I applied too much thinking it's not applying. Then I'm going to use my favorite Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And I'm using the shade Eden over here. As usual, I always use this shade in my crease. I'm using my ring finger again and putting it in my crease. Not bad. Ooh, not at all bad. I'm taking this shade Amber. I was trying so hard not to take this shade because I use this in all my videos. But just taking it. Little bit. These shadows are really good and they blend so beautifully even with fingers. Hats off to this palette. Huda. Thank you, Huda. If you want to invest in a good eyeshadow palette and you have a little budget, go for this. I remember buying this palette as soon as it launched on Nykaa. I was waiting for it since it launched worldwide and I also started earning recently that time, so I bought it. See it, I like it, I want it, I buy it. See it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Then I'm taking the Huda Beauty Smokey Obsessions palette and I'm taking this black shade. I know I'm too brave. Taking a little bit, putting in the outer bit. Little bit blending in the crease. Oh my god. Bad decision to use a black shadow with the finger. Just trying my best to blend it out. I forgot to fill in my eyebrows. I'll do it after this. Just to make it even, I'm going to put a little bit more shadow on this side. The black is looking a little patchy here, so I'm taking this amber shade and put it on top of the black to make it look less patchy. It's still looking patchy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I kind of removed that shade from this area. Just taking the Eden shade and filling that gap. Then I'm taking this cashmere shade or cashmere, I don't know. Taking this shade and putting it on my lid. I want a hint of pink, so I'm taking the shade Turkish Delight and applying it on top of it. Now to clean my crease area, I'm taking the amber shade and applying it in my crease. Now I'm taking this glitter eyeliner and I want to apply it all over my lid. I'm taking this shade from the Smoky Obsessions palette and I'm putting it all over my lid. Should have done it earlier. Now for a final touch, I'm again taking the amber shade and I'm cleaning my crease. I don't think it can be cleaned, so let's just leave it like that. Then I'm taking this shimmery shade from the chocolate. I'm using my pinky finger and applying it in my inner corner. And also on my brow bone. Oh, I forgot to do my eyebrows. I'm taking the Miss Clay eyebrow pencil. It's become so small. I'm taking it on my nails. I'm filling my eyebrows. Again, I'm taking the amber shade and applying it under my eyes. Then I'm taking the brown shade Oud and applying it in the outer corner. Now, for the mascara, mascara on my finger and try to apply it on my lashes. Lower lashes too. So I'm taking the Nykaa eyemBOLD Kajal and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to try to put some lashes without using a tweezer. For the bronzer, I'm taking the Benefit Hoola bronzer. Then I'm taking the Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using the blush from there. Taking the highlighter from the same palette. On my nose, it will work chin. For the lipstick, I'm taking the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade Bombshell, taking it on my finger. Then taking her lip strobe in the shade Snobby. So this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I had so much fun creating this look. Although the eyeshadow is a little bit messy and my bronzer is patchy, but it doesn't look as bad as I imagined it would look. Actually, it's not at all bad. I can go out with this look. So yeah, please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Wednesday and every Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So in today's video, I'm going to do a no hands makeup challenge. Then I'm using my MAC Studio Fish. Now to further, now I'm going to take